How do you prove you're you online without handing over all your private data? It's a massive problem.
Sure, platforms want to keep us safe, but their methods, it feels a lot like surveillance. There's got to be a better way.
And this exact conflict, it blew up on Discord in early 2026. Let's dive right into what happened. Discord tried for 2 years to roll out age verification, and it ended in a massive public failure of trust.
So there was a huge gap between what Discord promised and what users actually feared was happening.
It wasn't just about privacy. This felt like an ultimatum, and it absolutely destroyed years of community trust. This whole mess made one thing clear. We need a new model. And that brings us to UIID.
UIID stands for Universal Integrated Identity. And the big idea? Your identity is a permission, not a payload.
And the core tech here is a total game changer. It's called a zero-knowledge proof. Here's how it works.
So, the platform asks a question, and it gets back a simple, mathematically proven answer. That's it. And here's the magic. They get the yes, but they never get your actual data. Not your name, not your birthday.
So with UID, you verify your identity just once at a super secure core level. It's like your personal digital vault.
Then, for every platform, UID creates a disposable alias, so a data breach on one site can't affect any others.
It basically becomes your digital passport. Get verified once, and you can move across networks without ever re-verifying. And here's the most important part. You are in total control, managing everything from a single dashboard.
You see exactly who has access to what, and you can revoke it instantly with a simple kill switch.
Look, the Discord failure showed us that surveillance for safety is a broken model. We don't need to make that trade.
This model replaces invasive data collection with mathematical proof, putting you back in charge. So, what do you think?